eyes are glued to the ceiling again. I miss my hometown. Moved to LA with all my friends, but I'm alone. Now I miss the feeling of putting my phone down. Can't stop pushing these buttons, baby. I just wanna feel something like.
Good morning, happy Friday. It is 8:30. I'm gonna go pick up Starbucks. I just ordered it online. I got a tall iced Americano, pumpkin cold foam, add cinnamon topping, add pumpkin topping. Pretty sure I got that in one of my last vlogs. Me and Jake are gonna go to dinner tonight. I have work I need to get done today, obviously. I wanna throw laundry in when I get back, just tidy up, clean a little, because that's all I do. Then we'll chat later about like kind of TikTok, because I'm always like, okay, don't vlog this weekend to really focus on short form. But then I'm like, I want to vlog. My grandma wants to see it. My mom wants to see it. I want to look back on it. So that's why I love vlogging. Reminder for me to talk about TikTok update, and then also like the shark. Love it. I mean, I should just start driving and talking. Can't do the curls at night and then sleep on them. I mean, maybe that's obvious to some people. Whenever I do that, I wake up looking like an astronaut. I fixed it a little bit this morning by using the blowout attachment, which is the oval brush. So yeah, I think if I do it at night, I could only blow it out, and then before I go out, I could do the curls, if anyone cares. But that's just an update, because I did the whole mousse hairspray. It looked so good last night, and then this morning I'm like, whoa. Why did I even do that? Like, should I shower and redo it all? But no, I fixed it, blowing it out, blah, blah, blah. Happy Friday. I'll see you when I get my coffee. The traffic is insane right now. We're gonna try our drink anyways. I want to take a picture of this first, so please hold. Why doesn't it look good? Like, why doesn't the photo look good? Okay, I think we got the photo. Here she is. Cheers. I don't even know if you could hear me. I feel like I was speaking gibberish. The first sip is always just so bomb. I don't know why I was craving this, but I was, and it's hitting the spot right now. Trying to get a sip of more foam. Yummy. I'm about to get on my first call in literally 2 minutes, but I have a fresh jar of coconut coal. I'm so excited. I normally like going back and forth with the flavors, but they didn't have strawberry, so this is 2 weeks in a row with chocolate. So also, I would love to order them online, but they're so expensive. It's actually ridiculous. I just found out we're getting a Sprouts near us though, and I know Sprouts sometimes carries the special flavors, so I am hyped. They have like banana bread flavor I want to try. They just came out with a strawberry and chocolate collab with Honey Mamas. They also have passion fruit. Their flavors are honestly insane. And this jar looks illegal. Oh, it's like kind of hard. What's that about? It's like sour. Should I? Okay, cheers. I just did a quick little body shower. I'm gonna start getting ready for dinner. I'm so excited, but I wanted to pick up the camera because I was gonna tell you that I'm gonna do a bunch of short form content while I get ready. So that's not gonna be in the vlog. I'll see, maybe I'll insert the short form clips, I'm not sure. But what I was talking about this morning when I started the vlog is, if you don't already follow me on TikTok, I feel like I post on there a lot, and I just started posting even more than I have been. I don't know if it's my account or the content, but I just made a second account to just test out like a new strategy. So I'm doing that. I'm gonna film for both while I get ready. Just wanted to update you guys on that, but you guys will obviously see the finished look. I'm gonna do makeup, hair, outfit. We're probably gonna have a drink here before we go, and then we're gonna go to dinner. So that is the update. Hair and makeup is done. I've been filming a ton as I go. Gonna pick out my outfit and keep filming. I have a bunch more content I wanna get, but I just wanted to check in with the vlog. I think this is the outfit I'm gonna wear. I don't know if it's a little much, it might be, but whatever. Little kitten heels. I'm gonna take these shoes off while I'm just walking around. Okay guys, we're gonna do a little bit of perfume. Tonight I'm gonna go with my fave. This is kind of now my going out perfume. This is the Baccarat Rouge. My Le Labo No. 13 I've been wearing like day to day. So I like this one for going out. Yum, it is so good. And then I was just gonna use some of the spray deodorants from Native. We're gonna try the pre-made Aperol spritzes. Jake got them last weekend and we still haven't tried them, but I'm gonna film it vertical and I'll insert it because I want to post it on TikTok. Guys, I do this every single time, but I'm debating on changing. This top is just a lot, so I might or I might not. We'll see. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this. I just feel a lot more comfortable in it, especially for tonight. I don't know. The other one just was like suffocating, and I'm on my period, so I just feel like, ugh. But I have to take the tags off of these jeans, but I think they're so cute. And then this top is just from Zara. Jeans are from A brand, and I'm gonna wear my kitten heels still. So that's the outfit. We are finally trying pre-made Aperol Spritz. All it says to do is just pour it over a glass of ice and add an orange slice. Don't have the orange, but we have the ice. Ooh, it's very fizzy. Nope, not the same at all. Too sweet. Oh, way too sweet. Jake, come try this.
I like it.
Really? You want it? Well, you guys just saw, but I'm not the biggest fan of the pre-made spritzes, so I just made a Hugo Spritz, and it's so nice and refreshing. God bless you. Honestly, I might put a little more, what's it called? Elderflower liqueur? What's it called? Saint Germain. But anyway, cheers. Thank you. Hey y'all, we are heading out to dinner. We're going to Tao. I don't know if I said that. Jake just took a bunch of pictures of me on his new phone. Anyway, we're gonna make this a no phone dinner, so we just like enjoy each other's company and stuff. I didn't get them. It says they're barely here. How about I look at them on your phone and then I'll send the ones I like. See ya. Good morning, happy Saturday. I was gonna go get a coffee at Coffee Fix, but I think I'm just gonna make a hot cup here with my Nespresso that I kind of envy because it forces me to have coffee at home. Whenever I do like a hot cup, I use the Stormio. It's the green one, it's actually really good. I don't normally put milk, cream, sugar, anything in my black coffee. And I'm gonna call my mom, and that's what's up this morning. Last night we went to Tao, obviously. I didn't really vlog much, we were just being present in the moment, and it was so good. And then we went to Dante after just for another drink, and we ended up getting a pizza there. I could insert the photo. It was our first time trying their pizza, and Jake really liked it. It was good. It was like upscale, kind of fancier. It was like a Diavolo where it's like a spicy pepperoni salami situation with hot honey. So now, Saturday morning, it's kind of gloomy out. I bet the sun's gonna come out after, but that is what is up. Coconut cult! Jake, I'll pay you $5 to try the coconut cult. Probiotic yogurt.
Now, how do I fix this round?
Guys, I made an eyebrow appointment for this morning at 11:15 and it's 10:15 right now. Look at these freaking creepy crawlers.
Yeah, holy shit, I was gonna say you needed one. Jeez.
But I've had this Mighty C Acerola cherry juice shot from Trader Joe's in the fridge for about 2 months. So I figured I should probably take it. Cheers! Look at Logan. This all just came from his room. Don't be afraid to show the people.
She's lying. It came from her room.
That's sick.
Clearing out her trash.
That's sick. All those water bottles. Oh my god. KV1's gonna be so disappointed.
KV1.
She's gonna be like, at least he took them out of his room and is throwing them away.
Facts, KV1. Our bag's full.
Oh, can I give you this?
Toss it, girl. Let's see if you can make it.
Wait, I need to shut it first.
You got 3 seconds. I gotta leave. Oh!
Oh god. Trevor's gonna be like, didn't know the Bruins were on already. Tell everyone what you're going to do, Lowe's.
Get my new iPhone 16 Pro Max and new headphones.
Woo!
Bye,
Love you,
guys.
kid.
Bye.
Okay guys, we're going to get our brows done. It is 10:58, so this is good timing. I just filmed a bunch more TikToks and my new page is doing really well. So, crossing my fingers that it continues. But let's go get our brows done. I don't know if you could see how bad they are. I let them grow out purposely because I'm like, I'm not gonna just get them done if they're not bad. Like I need to grow them out so then she could just shape from a blank canvas. But I was looking up to see, like when you get your lips done, you don't tip the people. I was just wanting to see, like, do I tip her? Because it's pretty expensive. I mean, in Connecticut at the nail salon it'd be like $5. Like, am I supposed to tip? I need to figure this out. Let's see. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm so excited. Hey y'all, I'm on my way home. They look good, but I swear there's some hairs that she definitely missed, which I'll have to touch up when I'm at home. She like filled them in a little bit, but I don't know, I'm not like obsessed. They definitely are a lot more even. Now I have like an understanding of how they should look, so I could just clean them up a little bit more. All good. The place was so cute and like such a vibe in there. My head was kind of hurting though, like you lay back and like, ow, like my head is hurting. But anyway, here's a straight on look. I don't know, let me know. They definitely look a lot more even, but I need to do my little OCD cleanup when I'm home. Hey guys, it is almost 2 p.m. I haven't eaten anything all day. Whoa, my hair is looking interesting. I'm going to Jersey Mike's. Again, I went last Sunday, I think. I just got 2 sandwiches, 2 turkey sandwiches the exact same way. I do rosemary parm, Mike's way, add banana peppers, add relish, add mayo. 2 mini for $7. I'm pretty sure when I went last week, it was $8 for a mini. This was just $7 because it was buy one, get one free. I was thinking about getting any other sandwich, which they're all $20 online, like from places I like. Can you believe that? $7 for 2 sandwiches, and the mini is almost the same exact size as their like normal, their regular. So I'm excited. I'm going to pick that up. I actually called because when you do the buy one get one free, I'm pretty sure it's like the exact same sandwich, which is what I wanted. But then it was showing me that it was the number 7 as it comes, which is boring. And then I was like, hey, can you just make them the exact same? He's like, oh yeah, they are. Oh, weird. On my end, it was showing it was like on white bread without the freaking Mike's Way. You know, let's go get this, come back and eat because I'm freaking starving. The freaking longest red light ever. So I came back on chat to tell you that I'm sweating now because it's 80 degrees and I need to take this sweatshirt off when I get home. And also I fixed my eyebrows up a little bit after the appointment, so I think they're good. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, both the boys got Mendocino Farms, which is like a different sandwich spot. Probably cook dinner tonight, probably do pasta, and then we'll do a little Sunday reset tomorrow. I'm probably gonna run over to Trader Joe's just for a few things. We did a whole stock up this week. We did Costco, Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods. Like I stocked up because we were out of a lot of stuff. Toilet paper, paper towels, meat, blah, blah, blah. So I'll probably just do Trader Joe's quick and maybe the farmer's market. That's like my Sunday vibe. And yeah, probably keep trying to film little TikToks for my new account because so far so good, knock on wood. I'm very motivated and excited about that account. Now I'll actually talk to you when I'm home. Guys, are you kidding me? This is the setup. The sandwich, Arnold Palmer, 2 things of chips. I just wrapped the other one up, but are you joking? This looks insane. I'm gonna film myself eating it for TikTok, but insane. And you have to get the rosemary parm bread. That is like 95% of the reason the sandwich is insane. Pro tip. One thing about Jersey Mike's is it does get soggy, so I just took the bottom part of the bread off because it was too wet. A lot of people put chips on their sandwich. Let's try. I think I'd rather just have them on the side. We'll see if that second sandwich is good tomorrow. It might get too soggy. I tried wrapping it where the juices would fall. I don't know how to explain it. Whatever. We'll see. Hey guys, I did my makeup quick because I was filming. You know, I cannot stand the feeling of makeup on my face unless it's like 100% done and I didn't like do all the powders and stuff, as you could probably tell. So I'm gonna shower. It's I think almost 4 o'clock. The boys are just watching football. I was just editing and posting, but now I think I deserve a nice little shower. This is before the run. Let's see what we look like after. After the run. Slash a little bit of walking. Feel like $1 million though.
3, 2, KB, KB, KB. Oh.
It's like hypothermia.
Oh, she ain't fucking with that shit.
It feels so good though.
Don't worry, the pool is at a whopping, the hot tub's at 75, don't worry.
Good morning, happy Sunday. It's 9:30. I was just talking to my mom and cleaning. I have darks in the wash and then I need to do our sheets, so the whites and towels and stuff. I was just wiping down the fridge because it was so yucky. I need to run to Trader Joe's after. I want to vacuum before football starts. Just kind of getting everything together, tidying it up. I think I'm gonna do meatball subs tomorrow, so I just took meatballs out, and I think I'm gonna do chicken tonight, so I need to get that at the store. Had my little coffee here, had my coconut coal, iced my face, and yeah, what else? I was gonna make cinnamon buns for the boys. Sunday morning little treat. That is it for now, but good morning, happy Sunday. We'll finish off the vlog today for the weekend vlog. Cheers. I just cleaned out all of Jake's pant drawers, so hopefully these stay like this, even though I know they won't, but we give it a shot. Guys, when I get started, I just can't stop. I was just cleaning. I cleaned the toilets, cleaned the bathroom. The whites are still in dryer, so when I get back, I'll be able to make the bed. But I have some other stuff air drying outside. Running to Trader Joe's quick. If I don't right now, I'm really not gonna feel like it. Plus, I need to marinate the chicken. I also want to start editing this vlog. So that is what is up. I was thinking of like maybe going shopping, but I went shopping the other day and I'm like, I could just shop online. Anyway, let's go to Trader Joe's. I'm in the middle of filming my makeup, but look what Jake just got. Insane! Chips and salsa. Good? Big queso. KB1, wish you were here. Hey y'all, it is 12:45. I just finished putting all the laundry away, and I just have to make the bed. Me and Jake are gonna stop at a friend's little birthday party. I don't know, he's having some people over on their rooftop, so we're gonna do that. It's from 3 to sunset, so we're trying to figure out if we should go before dinner or after. Probably a game time decision. Do chicken on the grill, marinate the chicken, which is the most painful thing ever. It's so disgusting. I'm gonna edit for a bit and see you guys later. Hey y'all, I pretty much edited the whole vlog except I want to do another run through just to make sure it's good, plus all this other footage that I'm recording now. But since then, what did we do? I feel like I just did more chores. I cleaned my hairbrushes, I filmed the TikTok and posted it on my new account because I went a little overboard and I posted 9 times yesterday, and the boys were saying that they think that's why the views started getting low, because the views were doing really good. So I just posted after like 24 hours, so cross your fingers.
See you, kid.
But we're gonna go to our friend's little birthday thing. We're gonna go to Amazon Fresh. Jake has a return. We're gonna do that, and then probably grab a bottle or something to bring, and then go there for a couple hours, come home, cook dinner. I barely eaten today. All I had was the chips and salsa and guac and queso that Jake got. So, have you eaten? I haven't eaten. But that's the update. See you guys probably when we're home. Probably not gonna vlog there. Right, Jake? What did you eat today? I didn't eat. Girl?
Hmm?
Girl?
I'm starving.
Girl, I posted my TikTok.
Awesome, girl.
Girl, I would have made you a hot dog. You should have asked me.
Should have asked for one.
Aww. Want me to make you one right now before we go?
No.
Okay. So we're planning a prank where Jake is gonna pull this wrapper out at dinner. So I will film when he does that because it'll be hilarious because Logan's gonna freak out. You want McDonald's, Logs? Can you turn the TV down?
Right? It's not for everybody, right? Marriage is not
What? You already went? You guys went to McDonald's.
Can you turn the TV down? Jake was throwing a panic attack.
I know, I was like, I want to get a single seat on the way home.
Everything is done, we're gonna eat, and I also have the dishwasher ready to finish be loaded so we can start this, and I cannot wait to shower after. But dinner, boys! See, the dishwasher is all loaded, Jared's just finishing, and then the boys are gonna start it. Hopefully they do it right. I cannot wait to shower. Like, a girl knows the feeling of taking out the freaking slick back. Oh, and then now being able to just go shower. I'm gonna put music on, relax. I have all my clean hairbrushes here, all clean. Literally so much cleaner than they were. Holy crap. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. We actually have an exciting week, so I might film throughout the week. I should have ended this off before taking my hair out. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Go peep my new TikTok account. The video I posted today is doing better than the ones yesterday, so I'm very happy and hopeful and not gonna overpost. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a phenomenal week. I'm probably gonna post this on Monday because it's Sunday night. I'll finish editing it tomorrow. And yeah, good night.
Down, can't stop pushing these buttons, baby. I just wanna feel something like